What is going on YouTube? You're seeing the title. Whoa, this Discord trading bot can make me $1,000 daily on meme coins. Yes, it is fully possible. I have done this so many times. If you watch the live streams, you kind of know what I'm talking about. If you don't, I'm here to tell you what we're talking about. We have our own Discord. We, as in me and the Bullish boys, that's what we call ourselves. It's me and a bunch of homies. We run this server and we have a bunch of cool bots, that you can use, and I'll show you. I'll walk you through every single one. Um, and you can judge, see how good they are, see how good they're not. They're pretty good. I'm gonna tell you that much. Getting into it first, if you want to just join, go below. It's a paid Discord, right? There's a free section, so I'll go through the free section. I'll go through the paid section after. I'll tell you why you should join. I'll tell you why it's good, why it makes me money, and why I'm actually shilling it in the first place. Right. So, the Bullish Boys Discord obviously is awesome. We do provide a bunch of free things as well, guys. So there is a VC. No one's really using it at the moment. There's usually 30 to 40 people, so it's actually pretty cool. It's been growing quite a bit. Anyways, you join, then you're not a paid whale yet, so you're just in the normal section, right? In the normal section, you have these features here. You have the community features, where it's general chat. You have the Dali's paper bot. You have the win section. People just show off their wins that we're winning through the paid Discord or whatever. You also have a suggestion section and the paid VC, or the public VC, sorry. So just the public VCs, the voice chat. You can just chat to each other, make a bunch of money, cool stuff like that. Before we go any further, boys, yes, we do trade on BULLX. It's by far the best trading bot in my opinion. So head over to the description and use that referral code to get early access to Neo BULLX, right? So the suggestion section is not a big deal. Then you have the daily or the Dali paper trading bot, right? And you're like, whoa, what is this? Essentially, this Dali paper trading bot has been created so that people that don't have money, or amateurs, say, or people that have no real experience in trading meme coins, can use this, and it's fake money, right? One of the boys, Stefan, built this especially for our community, and it's free, of course, so people can just learn how to trade meme coins. All you have to do is click buy. You go to this buy section. Everyone starts off with 5 Solana. You can click a random thing like this, right? Say this one right here. You put in the contract address. You put in buy one sol, right? Press submit and boom, it bought one sol. Amount invested, how much I received, my wallet balance, right? Then I can go to holdings, right? I press holdings here and it tells me, yeah, I have this, I invested one sol, right? And I can pay attention to this chart exactly, and work from there, right? So say I want to see if I'm profitable, right? I'm gonna sell right now, right? So I'm gonna go AAA percentage to sell. I'm gonna sell 100%, right? And boom, just like that, we made 1.8 sol, so we gained 0.8 sol profit. Obviously, from the point we actually clicked it, it was 0.8. Now, it doesn't keep in mind slippage, of course, but you can't really do anything about that because it's fucking a paper trading bot. But it's a really good idea of how to actually trade and get profitable. So you can literally just use this, and that's your easiest way of getting profitable. We're adding a lot of features in, like a reset button and stuff like that. So you'll have a bunch of cool features. We'll have a leaderboard and stuff like that. Basically, that's free. Now, I'm here to tell you about the paid section as well, and obviously all you have to do with the purchase is go to hashtag purchase here. You press enter store, and then from there you click Dali's Whales. You go into there, and then you can buy it. 0.5 sol weekly, 1.5 sol monthly, 7 sol yearly. Now we do charge this price, and we believe it's a fair price because this bot is one of the best in the business, and also you gain a lot of features, which I will show you. Trust me, you'll think it's worth it by the end of it. And if you don't, just watch the streams and you see how much I win through this bot alone. Anyways, so in the Dali's Whale section, we obviously have the chat. We have my long-term plays. We have my pump fund. We have the scanner, the education section. That hasn't been used as much just because it's been Christmas. So like the last 5 days hasn't been used as much, but we're starting it back, right? New year, everything's getting grinded. Then you have the Whales VC, of course. This is where the fun starts, right? And you're like, whoa, well, this isn't that big of a deal, right? What could it be? Right. So basically, essentially, I'm gonna just click through each of these bots quickly, run through them. These are just new launches on Pump Fun. These are the new the watch list section, which doesn't really get used at all. We don't have anything set up for it because realistically, I don't really like that section. I'm not going to go too into detail why, but I do explain it a bunch. It's just one of the sections that doesn't really matter. Then you have all the new launches on Pump Fun. Obviously, you can just go to Pump Fun. Then you have the new tweet launches, right? This is such a cool feature. Every time someone tweets that's in this API, right? it gives you the contract address automatically. It creates the coin basically, and it gives you the address. So straight away, you can literally be instant to a tweet. So say Elon tweets a picture of a dog, it'll pop up here straight away. So you'll know straight away that Elon tweeted something, and boom, just like that, you can snipe the shit out of anything and make a ton of money. We have used this in the past a lot. It's not my favorite one, but it's up there with one of the best, right? So you can literally see like zero bro, new soul ETH, zero bro ETF, right? It must have tweeted that he's doing an ETF or something, and boom, a coin got created straight away. You could be instantly first there, and it's the quickest by a mile, boys, right? It's actually super quick. Now, what I really like is base dev, right? I'm gonna explain this one. Basically, base dev is dev coins that moon. So basically, this dev has created a coin in the past, right? That's already ran to 250k, and you're like, okay, that's not really that big of a deal. But I'll copy the address, right? I'll go here, I'll stick in this, right? So this is the coin. We can go to pump fund there from the BULLX. You click on Moon McMoon up top there, and it tells us exactly all the coins this guy's created. So you can see here the first one, high as fuck. It's a big picture of a J. It's at 250k. Now, obviously, these other ones didn't do anything, so it's not really that good to like buy that one. But say this was the second one ever created of this, right? I'm sure this ran a bit. Yeah, see, I was almost certain that this would have ran a bit. You can go to minutes, you can go 1 minute, but what you can actually do is just copy it here and check it on BULLX, right? So if you had been sitting on that section as soon as it drops, like I'm telling you, instantly when it drops, right, it tells you that the dev has dropped, right? So basically, obviously he insta candled whatever. You still could have got in at 16k, and boom, 35k is where the dev rugged or whatever, but it still made a bunch of money. Now, would I advise you buying into this one because it was bundled at the start? No, not really. But there's so many times in the base dev, right, when it's the second coin that the devs ever created, that he won't actually rug, and it'll just build up slowly. Like I'll show you an example. Yesterday on stream, right, we had SIS. So this SIS token, right, it's obviously not good anymore, but see, my average entry was 11k and it went up to 60k. So basically what happened here, by the way, we sold early. We took a 0.1 profit, but it's because we're doing a soul challenge. You'll see in a separate video. I'm sure you'll see in a separate video. Essentially, right, this guy made the coin and I was so early, right? I got in at 11k or even less. I think it was like 7 or 6. You click over here. He only created 2 tokens, right? So this bro one was at 100k, and then the sis one he had just created. So we were so early, we sniped it straight away. And obviously, this bot fucking works wonders, as you can see. This is just one of the many examples of how you can actually make money so quickly. That's a free 5x. If you had sniped it straight away and you had been on the bot, boom, free 5x. So you get why the base dev is so fun and important to me, and why I like it so much. Honestly, it's one of my favorites. But you do need to be selective, because, you know, if the devs made like 50 tokens and none of them done well except for one, then that's kind of your answer, that the rest of them aren't going to do so well either. And look at the tendencies. If they have 2 or 3 made and say 2 of them ran, check the tendencies. Do they rug halfway through and then it gets like CTO'd, or what's the story with them, you know? You need to check up on that. And my all-time favorite, coins with potential. Essentially, anything that they think, or anything that this bot thinks has potential, like a dog, anything really like that, it highlights straight away in this bot, and as soon as they're created, it tells you, right? So this meme coin with hat, this was made a minute ago. It highlighted it as soon as it got created, right? As soon as this coin got created, boom, you see, like literally instantly. Now, obviously, this one doesn't have anything behind it, but if it had a cool narrative, like say Elon's dog or something, or like Pope Francis AI, something like that, and it actually was it, you can click into it straight away and make so many profits. I don't know how many times I've used this on stream. I think it's endless. Like, this is where most of my money when I'm live streaming kind of comes from. This and the base dev are my 2 favorites. You also have Dex ads, so you can check straight away any project that's paid Dex, or that's paying Dex ads as well. Both of them. It's a good like you know, like position to see things that are going well. So for example, if something's 5 months old and all of a sudden the Dex is paid, that's a good indication that they're going to CTO it and run it higher if they're paying Dex for a 5-month-old coin that has no volume or whatever. You get me? And then you have the pump fund monitors. So you have the King of the Hill alert, so you can see when you know, on pump fund here, if I go pump fund, you can see essentially the King of the Hill, that thing there. So it tells you, alerts you straight away when it changes, so you can have it all in one section. You have market cap alerts if something's actually, you know, blowing up or going higher. Look, across 40k, so across like a milestone, it'll tell you. You have radium and other. We don't really use this one because it's a little bit annoying, I won't lie, but yeah. Um, it just tells you when pools are being made or whatever. And then obviously you have large trades, dab trades, and whale trades. Now, speaking in my personal opinion, obviously I'm gonna say it's worth it, but bros, like I'm telling you, even just get the week and try it, and then you'll see. Um, this isn't like a huge paid shill thing. It's just like I'm even recording this so everyone can see. You know, whenever they ask me in the Discord or they ask me anywhere, I can just link this video. So that's kind of what this is at the same time. But you know, dude, like there is so much good to this, and especially you know, the fact that I'm gonna be posting my long-term plays and stuff like that. I feel like that adds a little bit more worth than the private VC for the whales where they can talk and stuff like that. I would say it's definitely worth it. All you have to do is have your BULLX open. If you don't have BULLX, use the early access code. All you got to do is snipe from one to the other. So you literally just scan this constantly. If you see a coin that kind of has potential, or you see a base dev, you click it straight away. You click there, you go back in here. Yeah, you put in the address straight away. You go check the pump one, right? We're checking the pump one straight away. Let's see how many coins it's created. Let's see if there's patterns. If there's only 2 coins created, okay, this one's gonna fly. Get in really early. And sometimes, right, and you see like base dev, bro, you gotta be quick. If you're the first one in at 5k, there's no risks to be taken, right? This is risk free. If you're the first person, like you wait for the dev to sell and then you buy straight away. If you sniped it first, dude, you're gonna make so many profits. Like there's not two ways about this, right? Like this is one of my methods I'm giving you basically, but at the end of the day, there's so many coins that people are still gonna fucking neglect it, or still some people don't like this type of method. It's definitely good, and I found so many runners with this, and I do think it's a really good method. Anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Twitter with notifications on. It's down below. Use the BULLX early access code, and obviously join the Bullish Boys Discord and join the paid section. Go with the hashtag purchases like I just showed you here, and buy yourself a membership. This 7 Soul one says yearly, by the way. That's a lifetime. We just do a lifetime. We're actually switching it up. And just to let you guys know, we have a cool bot coming. I won't divulge too much into it, but we have a cool bot coming for the private section as well. And you know, the paper trading bot will get some more upgrades. Looking forward to seeing you guys in there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.